Hello traders, hope you are all doing good and I hope you all really had a good weekend, right? So yesterday was a good weekend. That is because if you are following Twitter or if you are actively using Twitter or if you are seeing YouTube channel relating to trading and investing and so on and so forth, there was very big debate yesterday. That was one YouTube channel which is running a software company claimed that one of their subscribers made 1.5 crore with a capital of how much? 40,000. That is, he started with 40,000 and he has made 1.5 crores in a span of around 9 months. Now, the question is this possible? Yeah, maybe it is possible. Everything is possible in stock market, right? If you see Arshad Mehta, people used to make lakhs and lakhs of rupees. In 2008 dot-com bubble, people used to make lakhs and lakhs of rupees, right? Everything is possible. Now the question is Now we'll talk about this in some brief, okay? You will know the reason why I'm talking about this. This is very dangerous. I'll tell you why, right? Okay. Now what this guy did is he posted a video about this fat profit 1.4 crore. There was so many flaws in the videos. Like the video is posted on 9th of September and update date is around 12th. That means it is showing a future date. And so many IT guys told it is on Favicon, that and this. I don't want to go into the technical, right? Let us assume this guy has made 1.5 crores with a capital of 40,000. He started with 40,000 and he has made 1.5 crores. Now the question is, can he make it consistently? Right? That is the main question. If he does do that, if this guy makes consistently, the guy who is an engineer from BITS Pilani, who doesn't even know to speak English, that is the very weird thing. A BITS Pilani guy doesn't know to speak English. That's what these people are saying. That's what the video is saying. Okay, this is I don't know what kind of joke is this, right? A BITS Pilani guy doesn't know to speak English. Okay, now if he does this continuously or if he is consistently making this profit, Elon Musk is wasting his time in Tesla and SpaceX. Warren Buffett is wasting his time in Berkshire Hathaway. Adani is wasting his time in Reliance Industries and Jio. And Ambani is wasting his time in Reliance Industries and Jio. And Adani is wasting his time in ports and acquisitions and so on and so forth, right? So that much is the amount of return he is making, 36,000% return on investment. How is this possible? I don't know. That's why I'm saying people, whatever you see in social media is not true. I'm not saying everyone. There are people, people are not interested in thousands and 10,000 or 20,000. They are interested in lakhs and crores only. What they are doing is just increasing the greed of the common people. That's what they are doing, and that's how they are trying to manipulate and they are trying to mint money from these kind of things. Faltu stuff and all bakwas. Let me say you forget about 5% and 10% monthly. You just make 1%. You will be in the top 10 of the traders. And everybody now, what is the consequence of this fat profits and inflated photoshopped profit is, looking at this profit, many guys will come, and all this is done in option buying, not even option selling. All this is done in option buying. Now, seeing at this, 10 guys will come and they will try to make money. Okay, they will motivate. They will give a wrong motivation that if I can make, why can't you make? I came with 40,000, you can come with 50,000 or 1 lakh. You think 50,000 is a big deal? It is not a big deal nowadays, right? Now, people with 50 low capital, 50,000 or 70,000 or 1 lakh will come and try to make money, and I'm sure 100%, not 100%, 200% sure they will lose money. This is what is going to happen, and this is a very, very wrong ethics to do, right? This is next to impossible. Whatever you think or you say this sir is very true or not, I have see guys, I have seen people with sitting with crores and crores and crores of rupees. They are just even not making 2% per month. They are saying 1% is enough for me. That kind of people are here. Okay, let this guy make. What I'm saying is, I'll give you 4 lakh. Okay, 40,000 you made, 40,000 to 1.5 crore. No, I will give you 4 lakhs. You keep 50% of the profit. You give me by, you make 10 crores, you keep 5 crores, give me 5 crores. Is that possible? Only God knows, and only this Zerodha people knows. And I don't know why all this PNL is only in Zerodha, not Upstock, not Fires, not Zebu, or not other platform. Only in Zerodha, these people will show all inflated and fat profit, right? Anyway, I think we have talked too much about this issue. You have to be, why I'm saying this is, you have to be careful. Option buying is nothing more than gambling. You will have to be serious. Now maybe option buying will work, but in the near future when India VIX, and you tell me where these guys were 2 years or 3 years back. After the COVID situation only, market is moving so much and so on, right? Before COVID, where these people were, tell them to buy options before COVID, nothing will happen. Not even, they cannot even make 1,000 rupees per day. Now they are posting 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs, right? When India VIX is down below 10, you tell them to buy, nothing is going to happen. That is how people are trying to manipulate. Anyway, looking at the markets, I think tomorrow we are going to be in trouble. Already, as I talked to you, markets have shooted up, and this is the US futures. Dow Jones is up by 300 points, S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is on the top. In fact, today, even in spite of Europe opening in the green, US futures are trading in the green, our market was kind of not performing. That is evident from the chart itself. If you see here, Nifty was struggling to move on the higher side. 17,980 was the high for today, and Bank Nifty, I think, let me go to Bank Nifty. Yeah, this is Bank Nifty chart, right? Yeah, Bank Nifty high was around 40,680. So tomorrow Nifty might take out 18,000. Gap up is going to happen. Already SGX is up by more than 50 or 60 point, and Bank Nifty may take 40,700 tomorrow morning itself. So we'll have to fight. We have position, as I told you, 18,000 above we have some position. We have done some hedging also to limit the losses in case tomorrow it gap ups. So I think I am wrong this time. We went terribly wrong. I thought maybe market has overvalued and market may come down. It will not go above 18,000, but I was wrong. That market is going above 18,000. And tomorrow we have a very, very important data. That is US inflation core inflation data will be out tomorrow around 6:30 p.m. India time. So let's see what is going to happen, if they are going to what is going to be the US core inflation, after which Federal Reserve will come and maybe they are going to increase the interest rate by 50 or 80 basis point. And one more thing I want to say is that in spite of all this hangama, in case the market shoots up tomorrow morning, and if in case it sustains above 18,000, there will be a rally towards maybe 18,100, 200 or even 18,300. This 18,000 people, if you see the open interest, around 7.79 lakh open interest is still pending at 18,000, which means they will have to run for cover, which will steer the market on the higher side. And Bank Nifty also, same story, maybe 41,000 will reach tomorrow itself. By the way, Bank Nifty is already bullish only. So people have returned 40,300 strikes itself, short straddle, right? And FI data, FIs, these people buggers have returned, bought for around 2,049 crores, and DIs have sold for 890 crores. So this is the market scenario. Let us see how things pan out. Don't mistake me if I have talked anything wrong. Anything can be true, anything can be possible in stock market, but the problem is, karma is a boomerang and it shouldn't come back to us, right? So be ethical and try to be ethical. I hope I have summarized everything. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.